Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your projects from your desktop or from your computer onto your website. So what I'm going to do is make sure that they're on Art 305's project page, whatever you call yours. And the first thing I'm going to do is put a title. So I'm going to drag title over there, and I'm going to call that presentation and documents perhaps, and then maybe my topic. So I'm doing mine about the creative process. Alright, so there's my title. The next thing you're going to do every time you upload a new project is you're going to write a short reflection on that. So I drug over some text, and here I'd like you to write about 2 or 3 sentences that talk about your project, or perhaps something that you learned while you were working on that. Working on the project. Maybe, for example, you learned how to use Prezi. All right. So again, 2 to 3 sentences. Now, let me fix this one right here. All right. After you got your short little reflection here, then you're going to upload your projects. Now, the first thing that I did was put all my projects together in a file folder. So I've got them all right here. So what I have is my PowerPoint and 2 documents. All right. Now over here, I'm going to scroll down until I find the File button, drag over a file. All right. And the first thing I'm going to put up here is my PowerPoint. So I click on Upload New File, and then I can just drag my PowerPoint onto there. Here's my PowerPoint right here, and put it on drop it on here. All right. Now it takes a moment down here to upload. All right, and when that's done, I'm going to go grab another File button, drag this one over. Now I'm going to put my worksheet on there. Here's my worksheet. Click on this, upload new file, put the worksheet on. Okay, that's uploading. And now the last piece that I have to put on is my 8-page booklet. All right. Click on there, upload new file, and let's get that booklet. Alright. So now I've got all my pieces up here. I might want to put a picture on here. In this case, maybe I'll open up my PowerPoint and take a screenshot here. If you remember how to do that on a Mac, it was Command-Shift-4, and I got this little crosshairs, and there's a little picture for me to put up. All right, that'll end up on my desktop. It's right here, and maybe I'd like to add that picture. So let's scroll up here and add image. I'll put it over here on the side. All right, and now I can upload the image here just by dragging it over. All right, and now I've got my sentences here. I've got my files here. I could also rearrange the files a little bit if I wanted to, but this looks pretty good. All right, now maybe some of you did a Prezi, and so you'd like to upload your Prezi. All right, to do that, what we're going to have to do is a different file upload. So what I'm going to do is go over here to my Prezi. So I went over to Prezi, go to Prezi.com. All right, and let's take a look at this Prezi right here. This is the Nick Cave one that I had. This is the one I used for an example. And if you'll notice, when I open up the Prezi, down here at the bottom, there's a button that says Embed. And what I'm going to do is click on that, and it's going to give me an embed code right here. Over here I can copy the embed code. All right, I've got it copied. And now I can go back over to Weebly. All right, and over here you'll see there's an embed code right here. So I'm going to drag this embed code down. All right, and it gives me a box here. I'm going to click on that box, and then I'm going to paste. Edit, paste. There's the code. And if I click off the box somewhere, now it doesn't show up very well here, but if I go over here and hit publish, all right, I'm going to be able to see what it looks like when I go on there. So I'm going to go to my site, look at my 305 projects, And there we go. So now I've got my image, my missed a word here, my reflection and all my files, and then here is the Prezi that's embedded. That's it. That's as simple as it gets. And we're going to do this for every project that we complete this semester. All right. This way, when we go to do our presentations in class, I can go directly from the button to your website. We can pull up your piece and you can show us all the parts. All right.